make the USB pedal adapter, we will need an Arduino Leonardo, a DB9 plug, and wires for the connections. The throttle, brake and clutch on the Logitech pedals all use potentiometers to read the position. On the outer two terminals of the potentiometers are the ground and power connections. As the pedal moves, the centre pin outputs more or less voltage, which we will use to determine the analog position. Without cutting the wires or soldering directly to the potentiometers, we can connect to the existing Logitech plug with a DB9 connection socket. By using a multimeter, we can test and work out the pin connections for each of the pedals. Once we have determined the pin connections, we can begin on wiring the DB9 socket. Prepare 6 lengths of wire by stripping the ends, then tin the ends of the wires with solder. Next, add some solder to the pins on the DB9 connection socket. We will need to solder the 6 separate wires to pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 9. Once all the wires are soldered, connect the following to the Arduino board. Pin 1 ground to ground, Pin 2 the throttle signal to A2, Pin 3 the brake signal to A1, Pin 4 the clutch signal to A0, and Pin 6 and 9 to the 5V on the board. With the wiring complete, plug a USB cable from a PC into the board. To install the sketch, first we need to download and install the joystick library. Once the library is installed, open the Logitech USB pedal adapter sketch. Select the correct board from the menu, then check the communication port is selected. Click on Verify and then click on Upload. With the sketch uploaded to the board, we can now plug in the pedals. Before using the pedals, we will need to calibrate them in the game controller properties. Click on Settings, then Calibrate by pressing each pedal all the way down for the respective axis. Y rotation for the clutch, Z rotation for the brake, and the throttle axis for the throttle. With the calibration complete, click on Apply. With this adapter, the Logitech pedals can now be used as a standalone USB unit independent of the wheelbase.